Hey ACVs, it's me, Natalie Barrass, being OTT, or rather, checking out the OTTs and their offerings over the past 4 weeks. This is the Bird Eye Review Show, dropping the third Friday of each month, and here we are for February. 2 serials and an anthology to shine a light on, so get comfy and let's head over to Z5 for a Bang Bang. Bang Bang, the sound of crime. Not to be confused with Bang Bang, the Bollywood film, which was based on Night and Day, the Hollywood film. Bang Bang, the web series, arrived on Z5 and Aapkey on January 25th.
Bang Bang.
Bang Bang.
Bang Bang.
Starring Ruhi Singh as Meera, a plainclothes cop.
This is a very serious situation.
Engaged to Rajasthani royalty, and a real-life TikToker, Mr. Faizu, as the wayward Raghu.
Raghu! ऊपर क्या कर रही है तू?
Both are caught up in the discovery of a skeleton. So, who does it belong to? How did it get there? And why did the body fully decompose but the scarf it's wearing stays pristine? Questions.
सबसे बड़ी फैमिली है और उसमें 2 मर्डर हो चुके हैं.
This is the first Aapkey series I've set my eyes on, and I have to say, they are different.
Bang Bang.
ऐसा तुम सोच रही हो? ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है मीरा.
I haven't seen such a clean family show with such gratuitous lascivity since Saturday afternoons in the 1990s watching Baywatch with my family. It's all so familiar. The lingering shots on the bodies as they work out. Particular attention paid to the chest area. Plus, non-essential removing of upper garments, exposing huge, bare pectorals. Huzzah! Let's redress gender inequality by subjugating the men as well to objectification. I'm fine with it.
You engaged?
The story of the series is a little far-fetched and leads the main actors and us, the audience, on a twisty trek, not exactly making sense on any level.
Still have feelings for Raghu?
रघु और मेरे बीच में जो कुछ भी था, it's over now.
This probably increases your engagement, as you have to keep on figuring out not only who the murderer was, but why so-and-so just did such and such.
रघु, tell me तुम इस केस में कैसे involved हो and I will help you.
तुम मुझ पे ट्रस्ट नहीं करोगी.
रघु!
The most interesting aspect for me was the casting choice for Raghu.
Raghu. Vura!
Raghu.
Of Mr. Faizu, otherwise known as Faisal Sheikh. Mr. Faizu is a TikTok star / social media influencer, creating content on Instagram and YouTube also. It seems he brings quite a fan following with him. Just check out the many 10-star reviews for Bang Bang on IMDb. Savvy business choice then by Rekhta Kapoor, creative head of Balaji Telefilms. The leads have been paired on screen before, last year as lovers in the music video for the song Monkey Doing. When there'll be a Bang Bang Season 2 remains to be seen. And if there is, it will remain to be seen by me, as I'm not in any rush for a repeat performance.
Game over.
Bang Bang, the sound of crimes, crimes against OTT serials, 2 out of 5. If you haven't already, then do take a moment to subscribe to the Asian Culture Vulture YouTube channel. Lots of great videos, reviews and interviews waiting there for you, and also soon to be released. And now, on with the show.
इस पूरे शहर में ना अलग-अलग प्रकार का लोग रहता है.
Aapkey Kamrey mein koi Rehta hai on MX Player. Translating as, does somebody stay in your room?
इस बिल्डिंग में बहुत ताकत है.
This is a pacey, supernatural yet amusing series which, if I'm right in understanding, is more of a film broken into 5 short parts rather than 5 specifically written episodes.
अच्छा किया हवन करवा लिया. इस बिल्डिंग में बहुत ताकत है.
मजबूत बनी है. मतलब?
It released on January 22nd, and if it weren't for researching new content for the Bird Eye review show, I doubt I would have stumbled across it.
पहले ही कहा था बिल्डिंग में बहुत ताकत है वो तो नहीं बोल सकते थे आप
It's hosted on MX Player, a free-to-view platform where you can also watch Big Boss, FYI. Now, despite having over 280 million users globally, it's not one of my go-to OTTs. A library of over 150,000 hours, including original content, and it's free, except there's no such thing as a free lunch. Quite apt, that saying, as the advertisements for McDonald's every 10 minutes during the episode made me almost reconsider my 8 years of veganism and order some nuggets. Luckily, I resisted. However, if I ever again see the commercial of a guy having his McDonald's lunch home delivered via the app, it will be too soon. So, intrusive advertising aside, why would a horror comedy not be on my list? Exactly that. These two genres do not go together. They are mutually exclusive, like making a corporate video for children. Proper horrors are not funny. Comedy is then not horrific. It stars actors Sumit Vyas, Navin Kustaria, Amal Parasha and Ashish Verma as four bachelor friends looking for somewhere to live in Mumbai.
अपर और मिडिल के बीच में आते हैं हम लोग
नहीं क्या तुम लोग उससे भी नीचे आते हो बैचलर
Anyone without a marriage certificate knows the limitations that can be faced undertaking this task. But, as luck would have it, they find an amazing place
सर फ्लैट तो बहुत अच्छा है
and proceed to throw an amazing housewarming party.
तुम जो ये इन कपड़ों में मिली हो ये हाथ पकड़ाएंगे छोड़ तो नहीं दोगी
Except, things are too good to be true, and then the ghostly goings-on begin.
ये एक और रात में जो तुम लोग के साथ रह रही थी
Swara Bhaskar gets the most interesting role, definitely not the usual Bollywood lead female offering.
मौसम क्या कर रही हो
मुझे जिंदा चीजें पसंद है जिनमें फंगस लग जाता है फर्की हरामजादे
But the guys don't get so much of a chance to shine. In general, the pace is flattened and the mismatch of genres brings it down.
पहले ही कहा था बिल्डिंग में बहुत ताकत है वो तो नहीं बोल सकते थे आप
It is easy to binge watch though, as each episode is so short, but nothing then gets a chance to develop. Aapkey Kamrey mein koi Rehta hai, another 2 stars out of 5. Let's hope our third option can shine brighter. Pitta Kathalu on Netflix. The title translates as short stories, 4 of them under 40 minutes each bringing women into the spotlight in different ways. There is love and desire, children, yes, but motherhood, interestingly, is not a key definer of these ladies. Now, with an anthology, like with a music album, there is an art to creating the order in which the films are watched.
ఇప్పుడు మేకప్ ఏంది
మేకప్ కాదు బేకప్ BRAKKAPP బ్రేకప్ నీకు నాకు అయిపోయింది
It starts with Ramula, played by newcomer Sanvi Meghna, navigating the world of relationships. There's the struggle and power play between the sexes and the extremes women go to for themselves and for their families.
నీకున్న పవర్ నువ్వు ఇప్పుడు వాడాలి నేను చెప్పినట్టు విను
Following is Meera, played by Amala Paul. She, a beautiful writer, married to a much older man, Jagapati Babu, who has his suspicions about her fidelity, as we the audience also do.
నీ లవర్ ఎప్పుడు నీ పక్కనే ఉండాలా అంటే నీ మొగుడిని నీ లవర్ని చేసుకోవాలి ఎంతమంది మొగుళ్ళే నీకు
And this drives him to distraction or despair. The third film, X-Life, breaks the flow as we are taken to a different time and place.
నేచర్ కి అక్కర్లేదు కి మనం ప్రేమించుకున్నామా పెళ్లి చేసుకున్నామా it doesn't care all it wants us to do is make babies.
Echoing Black Mirror, VR technology has created a digital world more preferable to our own.
Welcome Wick.
The main couple is an interesting mix of known actress Shruti Hassan, who does like an anthology, CPPK,
I love you Wick. Please take me somewhere safe.
and Sanjeet Hegde, who is not known for acting but rather as a playback singer. Credit then to the writer/director Nag Ashwin, as Hegde becomes far more believable in his rawness than Hassan.
All people in the world, they're nothing but data points.
Lastly, Isha Reba is Pinky, most similar to the second film, with themes of adultery and marriage mismatching.
మన ఎక్స్పీరియన్సెస్ అన్ని నీ నవల్లో నింపేశావు అన్నీ గుర్తుపెట్టుకున్నావు.
As an audience, we're intrigued by the equation between her and Satya Dev's character.
నువ్వు నన్ను చీట్ చేసావా?
Interesting that all 4 of the women characters were in unhealthy relationships. Not sure if this is more or less realistic than Hollywood/Bollywood, but it's maybe a start in rebalancing the unattainable romanticism of Bollywood.
తన మనసులో మాట అతనికి తెలుసా తెలీదా తెలిసి తెలియనట్టు నటిస్తున్నాడా
అయితే నీకు తెలుసా what I need అని?
So, what to give the anthology out of 5? Well, thankfully, I'm going to say 3.5 out of 5.
డోర్ క్లోజ్ చేస్తావా?
More Bird Eye reviews next month, and I'm looking forward to some interesting film releases, notably Girl on a Train, the Hindi version, releasing on February 26th. Do let me know your thoughts on the shows reviewed. Also, be good to know what you're looking forward to. Comment below, and liking, subscribing and sharing, all actively encouraged. Until next time, laters, couch potatoes.